Buffy's Northwoods Kitchen on Up North at 4 is brought to you by Bassett Jewelers and Engraving in Minocqua and Eagle River Cabinets in Rhinelander and Eagle River.
Hi everyone, welcome to Buffy's Northwoods Kitchen. Today we're going to be making fried cabbage with an apple cider dressing. The ingredients you'll need are 1 small head of cabbage, sliced up, chunked up fine. I have half of a red onion, which is about half a cup. I have 3 slices of thick cut bacon that I've chopped. I have 1 big shallot that I've broken down. I have a 1/4 cup of apple cider, and this is apple cider actually for my own apples from the family orchard that my brother and I made. Actually, it was more like I observed my brother made. This is apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, and whole grain Dijon mustard, but regular Dijon mustard will work. And now we're gonna move over to the stove. Started my bacon slices in a cold pan over, I have a medium heat, and now I'm gonna dump in maybe a tablespoon, a good glug of olive oil into my pan. I'm gonna let that get hot, and I'm going to dump in my cabbage and get that going, and my onions. These big cast iron pans are great for cooking a lot, but the downside is they take a minute to heat up. Just dump my onions in. Now I'm going to dump in my cabbage. And you could definitely do this with red cabbage. The only reason I have this cabbage is because that's what I bought at the farmer's market. Okay, into the pan of bacon grease, I've added in most of my ingredients, and it had a good effect. And now I'm just finishing up with the apple cider vinegar and the maple syrup. Okay, I like the consistency of this dressing, so now I will pour it over my cabbage. Add in the bacon. And give this all a nice toss. And stir it around so everything gets a coating of that dressing. And before you know it, you have fried cabbage with apple cider hot bacon dressing from Buffy's Northwoods Kitchen. Cook on, my friends.